Welcome to Anthony's Cross-Trade Garage. Night before the car show, and we're gonna clean up old car. We'll try to bring some patina out in this junk, and tomorrow we'll linseed oil it. Try to bring out that rust a little better. Waiting for some SAS pads, but I grabbed some plastic wax, I guess.
Come out, and I got my soup that I waited over 5 minutes. Then Keisha, they had lemon scent. I was like, how much does turd need polished?
I was debating whether or not to do this, but what the heck. I'm going to start putting some linseed oil on this truck. See how it looks. Probably make the hood look pretty nice, but I don't know about the cab or the rest of it. So get bold linseed oil and dump some of that in there. About all you need. I ain't got no mineral spirits. I got some this, so it's about gone anyway. And that's that.
Pat the middle finger, the queen, the middle finger of I'm putting at the queen, middle finger.
Hey.
Look, the middle finger. More the golf middle finger, but okay. The golf middle finger, up.
That's quit. I'm recording you, goofball. Just a little bit there, you can tell a big difference. Cars are rolling in still though. Some old plastic still got wipers. It'll be alright. They ain't gonna last long. Gonna last long enough to make it humid. Huh?
Yeah.
Vacuum wipers working? I don't know. Yeah.
Oh no, it isn't. Oh yeah, it is.
Yeah, you can see the sunlight starting to break over there. It'll be alright. Oh, you won't go over there? Well, you go over there. Oh, I'll film you. Run. Ready? Set, go. See if you can make. Go, go, go. Is it rainy out there?
Yeah. Not much. Not much rain, but
Sun's back out. That little downpour. Turned on. We get a little wet.
yeah, you have a little wet.
Just a little wet.
Is that their car? Probably their car.
It's been a hot day. done.
Mommy, are you doing that mini contest yet?
Alright, like a week after the car show. Tartar's back in the garage. Well, I haven't even started editing that video yet. Probably not a lot of good content. Sorry. It was like, felt like it was like 120 on that pavement. It was miserable. A lot of cool cars, a lot of cool stuff going on, good cause, but it was hot. I mean, devil's butthole hot. So, well, that does it for this one. So, and really, you'll see I won't change shirts coming into the next one because start reading to this.